Every customer interaction is an opportunity to build trust and loyalty. And in today's competitive energy market, providing exceptional customer service is a necessity, which is why Automation Anywhere is partnering with a leading energy company to harness the power of AI to make each of those interactions matter. By providing every agent in the complaints team with an AI-powered digital assistant, providing personalized resolutions with proactive problem-solving and an experience that makes customers feel heard and valued, will empower agents to deliver the kind of human-centered service that will set them apart. This AI-powered customer service brain can automatically resolve many simple complaints, like generating missing bills and providing answers to customer queries without involving agents. We are now going to see how agents can use this AI-powered brain to resolve the more complex use cases. Firstly, we understand the issue agents face when third parties like Dynarod provide updates on service callouts and agents aren't notified. Automation Anywhere's system of work can connect disparate systems and recognize when a case has been updated. It will notify the agent via their new AI-powered Copilot, embedded directly into key applications like Agent Workbench. When our agent gets a notification, they are taken straight into the case details where they can view the update provided by Dynarod and easily make contact with the customer. When using options like sending a letter or email, Copilot will leverage generative AI to craft a personalized response, saving the agent considerable time. Now, when it comes to agents resolving a complaint, Automation Anywhere's Copilot provides a 360 view across the customer's record and gives agents the ability to trigger specific workflows powered by automation and AI. In this next example, our agent wants to carry out a case review and notify the customer of how they are going to resolve their complaint. Automation Anywhere's system of work carries out a series of steps, such as retrieving data from multiple systems like Agent Workbench and Microsoft Dynamics. It uses generative AI to summarize the case details, perform sentiment analysis so the agent has a view on how unhappy the customer is, and then prepares everything for the agent to analyze. Once again, when we are ready to make contact with the customer, generative AI prepares a personalized response which our agent can customize if needed. Copilot finishes up by updating case notes and updating the customer service AI brain. They now have a new AI asset, their own customer service brain that improves with every interaction. By connecting that brain to the system of work, they can transform their business and improve both the agent and customer experience. Customers will enjoy faster, more personalized, and more satisfying resolutions to their complaints. At the same time, agents will have the tools to streamline their workflow, simplifying the agent experience and surfacing relevant information from across multiple systems. This translates directly into lower costs, a higher customer NPS score, faster resolution times, fewer FOS referrals, and greater productivity.